Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a Rockwood that just came in. Love it. It is a bunkhouse. So if you're looking for something that you can take with the kiddos or the grandkids, this is a great option. Absolutely stunning. Different floor plan and layout. I think you're going to like it. Let's go from the outside in. You guys let me know. It is sprinkling outside, so I'm hoping that it doesn't ruin the video, but we'll find out. Let's go. Alright guys, we've got a Rockwood Ultra Light 2025 model 2918BH. It does have a slide on this side. Of course, it's fiberglass as well. It has two doors and a long awning, so it goes all the way from one end to the other. It's got that quick recovery and speakers outside, which is really nice. And of course your backup camera. Well, backup camera prep and a ladder. Let's take a look inside. All right. So as you can see, it is a different floor plan here, and I'm loving it. So to our left, we've got a lot of storage space, and of course those are adjustable shelves, so you can move them, leave them, rearrange them. And you can also hang something right there. So if you have something that you need to hang up, maybe you have some coats that went right when you walk in, you'd like to put in there, get out of the way. Even your shoes could fit on the bottom. It's a great place for it. This is our bunkhouse. These are very wide and actually long beds. An adult can lay up here comfortably. Comes with a ladder. You have one here too. You also have an easy access emergency door right there. And then I believe, yes, this actually can be pushed up and out of the way. So that's always really, really nice. And then of course it does have its own bathroom in here. So it's a 1.5 bath. So you do have right here next to the bunks, you have a bathroom and a sink with storage as well. So the kiddos get up, they're not gonna, wake up anybody to go to the bathroom. It's right here, very convenient. Shut the door and you're good. You also have a desk, so that's awesome. In fact, you have an area right up here that you can put your entertainment, and if you have, work on the computer, you can go right here, put it in a chair, and you're set. You also have storage down below as well. So very nice. And then of course your door right here, so you got your own space, or the kiddos have their own space, or maybe you have two adults, staying in this area, they have their own space. Next, we come into our kitchen area, which is just very different. So you've got your sink, a nice size sink, by the way, with a little bit of a counter space, beautiful backsplash walls over here. You've got your microwave on this side, storage on, right next to it, and down below, I believe this is a trash can. It is. I love seeing that. I love when it's out of the way and it has a place. And then on this side, you've got your 3-burner, your oven, some storage for maybe pots and pans right there, and then some more storage up there. But I like that it's on this side and not right next to, I don't know, it's just different and I like it. You have a nice size fridge right here, and a good size freezer down at the bottom. I'll go ahead and open that. And so you've got plenty of room for your goods. Over here you have some more counter space with some more drawers, which is great. Some storage is great. And then you go on to your living room. So it's almost cut off right here, which is really nice. So nothing's in the way right here. You've got theater seating, beautiful windows, and then across from that, you've got a nice, beautiful, beautiful big window, but you also have your televator. So your TV will come right up in front of the window, and when you don't need it anymore, you put it down and you still see right out of that beautiful window. Love it. You've got outlets on both sides as well, and then you've got your dinette, of course, can go into a couch, it can go into a bed, and then storage on the bottom. But I love that, how it looks. It's just neat and different. It's not too big, but it's perfect. It's got everything that you could need. On down, we've got our bathroom. So plenty of space in here. It goes from one side to the other. So you've got a shower right here, nice and big. Plenty of space for your, have a seat on the toilet and not bump your knees. You got storage over here. And then a nice size sink and, the medicine cabinet right behind it as well. Plenty of space. Then you have your master bedroom, which I don't know if you can see how much room you have, but you have so much room to walk around on both sides. You get storage above and to the side, plus your cubbies in the back. But you also have that beautiful window back there. I love seeing a window by my headboard. I love that because I have the option to maybe put my head on this side and just stare out to wherever I'm at. I love that idea. And then this is also, of course, where your door is, your other door. So that is always nice as well. But what do you guys think of this Rockwood? It is a different floor plan, but I do want to know what you guys think, what you think about it, and how you feel. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out, call, text, email. My information will be in the description as always. But until next time, guys.